Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal and I run a small crochet business called K Creation Deco, and in today's video it's going to be really exciting because I'm sharing 7 free medium crochet patterns that I found on Instagram, and these are perfect for market, gift, or just adding to your plushie collection. All these creators are super talented, so please go and give them a follow and support them after this. So let's get into it. My first pattern is this cute teddy with a sweater. Look how cute she is because it's pink. So I use a dusty pink for the sweater, and the heart pouch don't come with it. I just added to it just to make it a little cuter. And about this pattern, it took me about an hour. So you have to sew the legs, and the arms are surface crochet. You have to sew the head onto the body, and also the ears is surface crochet. And I think it's a good size for market, and you can price it, and I priced mine $22, and I think it's perfect for market. And I love the way how she turned out, so cute. And this pattern is from Cozy Friend Creation. I love this pattern. So quick and easy to make. Try it and let me know what you think. So the second pattern that I will share is from Cozy Friend Creation again, and it's pretty much the same like the bear. It got the sweater, and as for me, like, cow is my bestseller, so there's a little bit sewing involved, but it was all worth it. It's so cute. So you got some color changes. You have to sew the legs, the horns, the snout, the ears, but and the head. But other than that, it's really easy, under an hour to make. And I'm not a fast crocheter, I can tell you that, but I think it's so cute. You can do the sweater in different color. Yeah, both patterns are from Cozy Friend Creation, and I will link all the detail in the description box down below. My next pattern is this boba tee, and it's took me about 48 minutes. Look how cute it is. It's crocheted by Shayla. Sorry if I butcher the name, I will just link it down below. What's good about it, you can make it in different color combo. The only thing you have to sew is the straw, which is kind of cool, I think. So it's 48 minutes, low sew, and a lot of people like tea. Even I like tea, boba tea. And I think it's pretty good that you can do it in different colors combo. Moving on to my next pattern. So I love Oda. Oda sell well for me at market, even if I make it on swing. So it's by Didi's Plushie, this baby otter. So I made this one. So you have to sew the leg, the arms, the ears is surface crocheted. The thing that I might change, and the tail is, you have to sew the tail. And the thing that get me with the pattern is mine is looking like a, how you say it, like a dog, I would say. It's not giving me vibe order, but maybe next time I will try to do half the face brown instead of the same color. But I was trying to follow the pattern as it say. It's it was a bit confusing for the arms, because it's just the arms is made in chain, which was new to me. Normally you start crocheting and it was a bit confusing, and yeah, but it took me 1 hour and 6 minutes to make this little guy, and I think I will sell it at maybe 18 or 20. I will remake this one because you know, the first time it's always take you more time to figure out the pattern, to read the pattern, to make sure you understand the pattern. So after this one, I think I can make better version of it, and I think it's worth it. And as a pattern designer, I like the way that she did the arms. It's like really different. I learned something new from this pattern. My next one is I love this one. This one is a good one. It's a free pattern. It don't have a title. It's from Amigurumi _magic world _world. This is the, I would call it the chef rat. It's a rat or a mouse, I don't know, but ratatouille, I will say. So I love it. Yes, there is sewing involved. The leg is bubble stitch. The tail is crochet in the row. The head and the body is in one piece. You crochet the arms is crochet in. You have to sew on the ears, the little pointy nose, and the chef hat. And also you can sew the wooden spoon to the hand, but I prefer to add a string, like to make it so the kids, if a kids get it, they would be able to use it, to play with it, more interactive for the kids. But it's a great pattern, and the way that this pattern was designed was pretty new for me. So, and the shape, I like the shape. It's not a round shape, as you can see, it's like an oval and continue to decrease at the top. And I kind of love this pattern, and I will make more. It took me less than 2 hours, and I think it will do good at market. I know there's sewing involved, but 1 hour 46 minutes it took me to make one, because I was still figuring out. It's the first time that I was doing this pattern, and I wanted to do it right, guys. So, and it well written pattern, easy to follow, a lot of pictures for visual crochet. That's it's really good pattern, and I love this pattern, and I will make more in the future. Yeah, definitely a must try pattern, guys. My next pattern is one of my own pattern. So it's this gnome pattern. So it's really a low sew pattern. You can crochet it in different colors for spring, Halloween. So you can just play with the color. The leg is crochet in. The arms are beard and nose crochet in. The only thing that you have to sew is the little leaf, if optional, if you want to add the leaf, and also the hat to the body. But other than that, it came in. When I released the pattern, I think it's was 4. I make 4. I make a winter one, I made pinky, and then I made a Christmas version, and then I made an earthy version, brown, you know, green and brown. So for Halloween or spring color, you can play around with it, and I think it's really good and it can stand on its own. Not because it's my pattern, but I think that gnome is pretty good for home decor. For the last pattern, which I gave last, it's this. It's a dark free pattern by Sweet Pea Plush. Like I say, it was a bit challenging for me, the way that this pattern was designed, and it was kind of me learning new things, I'll say. So it's a no-sew pattern, and the hat, you can take the hat off. I think it's a strawberry hat, the dark with strawberry hat. You surface crochet the beak, the legs is done in the row, and the wings is different, and I think that I love it. It's so freaking cute. Look how cute it is. And maybe the hat, if I don't know if I will glue the leaf down to the hat, I'm not sure, but it will be great for spring market. It took me like 1 hour and 16 minutes, and it was my first time. The way that the leg, I was a bit confused with the way that the leg was done, but other than that, it is the perfect pattern. And I guess if you don't want to add the leaf, you just start like with 8 and then increase as you go. Maybe I will do it next time, just because, and the leaf is crochet in the, so you start with the leaves and come down, so you don't have to sew. As I said, it's a no sew pattern. So there's a lot of photos for visual crochet, and that's what I love about all these patterns that I share with you today, guys. That all the pattern is good for visual crochet. If you want photos, there's a lot of photos, explanation. So yeah, this is the last pattern that I'm sharing today. Two of the favorite pattern that I just show you is the rat, and I would say the cow. One, because the cow is cow's always my bestseller, but this one, it's cute. It's so freaking cute. I love it. And I don't say that the other pattern is not good, but this is my personal favorite one. Tell me in the comment which one was your favorite, which one you will make in the future to try. I'm just trying to see which one of these 7 pattern will be my next best seller. So it's really good thing to try different things to see how it goes. Normally I test pattern if I sell 3 of them in one market, and the price range between them will be $20 to $25. That's how I would price my plushie. And so this was a quick video, guys. I really hope you enjoy. If you have any question, please leave a comment down below. By the way, today it's Wednesday 25th of February. I like to try the pattern first, so I can recommend it to you guys, because I can't recommend a pattern that I have not tried myself. And don't forget to go and give all these pattern designer a follow, share some love. These are great pattern, great designer out there, and it's free, so they had worked really hard to give us free pattern. So go and share some love. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.